Hello guys, how are you? Hope you must be doing great. On behalf of Progressive Expert Consulting Private Limited, I must thank you for the interest shown by you in our previous online courses. Guys, based on your valuable feedbacks, we are launching new online course for civil engineers who wish to become a quality engineer. Let me introduce myself. Myself, a working civil engineering professional with 34 years of experience. I done my engineering in 1985 and then I done DBM, Diploma in Business Management. Then I done graduate program in project management from NICMAR Pune. After that I done my MBA and I done some certification courses also like certificate in project management, supply chain management, Six Sigma Green Belt, like that. And now I am also working as a freelance technical trainer. Friends, you know Muhammad Ali, the great boxing champion. Before going inside the rings, he always says that I am the champion and I will be the champion. I will be the only champion. This shows his willful positivity, but he always says this with practicing on his punching bag. Friends, here comes positivity in thinking along with the action. So, friends, this is the time to take action with positivity. We are launching new online course on quality inspection methods for finishing activities of high-rise building. These are some bullet points. The major sector of this particular online course is from acceptance of criteria to detailed method statement. We will be learning these important sector for all finishing material and for all finishing activities. The course will be 5 to 6 hours, will be for 5 to 6 hours, and daily 1 hour is the schedule. Friends, and this is how we will learn the acceptance criteria for finishing material. This is a sample case shown to you. This is material of natural stone, means granite or pota. On these quality parameters, we will be accepting the particular material, and like that, we will be studying all finishing materials based on these based on the quality parameters applicable for that particular material. And also we will be studying some method statements of finishing activities. I mentioned here like painting is a finishing activity, but we will be looking in that from the quality inspection perspective, or from the perspective of quality only. So these can be the points to be verified for the quality outcome for this particular activity. Like this, all finishing activities can be learned for their quality inspection part. So friends, be ready to become a champion by joining us. Muhammad Ali always said, I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. So friends, take some trouble now. Take online trainings, enhance your knowledge. Then you will be definitely have a good life like a champion in your future career. This is the schedule. This is the schedule of that particular course. The course name is Quality Inspection Methods for Finishing Activities. Course will be for 5 days. That course will be starting in second week of July. The time will be 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And these are some bullet points as I told you earlier. And friends, this is a good news for you. We have already given you a good discount. The course fee was 1999, but right now we are giving 1399. And friends, you will be getting the discounts from 10 to 40% for all our upcoming courses also. So hurry up, book your seats. Go and book your seats right now. The offer is valid for a very short period. You can contact us on this address. You can contact us on these numbers. You can mail us. You can visit our website and you can visit our YouTube channel also. We will be publishing the course content and schedule and all that on our WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups also. In that purview, you will be communicated accordingly, and you will be you have to fill up the Google form. You have to fill up the Google form and register yourself. So be ready to become a knowledgeable quality engineer. And that's all friends. Thank you very much.